begin with today's session, I would like to share with you that we have received more than 180 registrations for this FGP, and 120 participants have been approved. And finally, 90 participants from all over India are going to participate in this program. I'm really grateful to all the participants for showing amazing response towards the registration. So thank you everyone for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Learning is a continuous process. So we all have an urge to always enhance our knowledge by continuous learning. So even in this pandemic situation, we are all trying to upgrade ourselves by virtually attending various online sessions. And with the same intention, this FGP in providing domain-specific information and knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence in mental health care. So now we all are getting an opportunity to attend or to be part of this online FGP program. So with this note, I would like to begin the inaugural ceremony of this special occasion. So I also offer my regards to all the dignitaries, resource persons joining us for this event. So taking this further, we begin the workshop by paying tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, as a mark of undying tradition. So now I request Suksham Sharma, my colleague, to kindly play Saraswati Vandana.
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, किन चरणों का प्यार दे। वीणा वाली तार दे, तार दे, तार दे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
you, Suksham. Moving ahead, now I would like to say a truly great mentor is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. With these words, I would like to invite Dr. Yashwant Singh, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Central University Jammu, and co-patron of this faculty development program for the formal welcome address. He has served as a journal chair in various national and international conferences as well as workshop program committees. His research findings have been published in various international journals, conferences, and various research books. He has various funded projects by reputed organizations like DRDO and NCW. Sir, we are extremely grateful to learn under your patronage. So now, I humbly request Sir to share the formal warm welcome address and theme of this program. Over to you, Sir.
Thank you, Mehak. Am I audible, please?
Yes, sir.
No, okay. Am I audible? Mehak,
Yes, sir, you are. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
a very good morning to all. Honorable Chief Guest, Vice Chancellor, Central University of Jammu, in absentia, the respected Dean School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Professor Devanand, distinguished Dean of various schools, Head of the Department, Central University of Jammu, most valued resource persons, Professor Deepak Garg from Bennett University, Professor Priyanka Sharma, Vice President, Project AI, Samyak Infotech Private Limited, Dr. Karan Natwani, Assistant Professor, IIT Jammu, Dr. Partha Pritam Roy, Associate Professor, IIT Roorkee, Mr. Anshul Chopra, Customer Architecture Head, Microsoft Australia, Professor Madhu Jaglan, Chandigarh University, Professor Anurag Sharma, GNA University, Punjab, Miss Pavitra Harit, Ramani Iyengar, Memorial Yoga Institute, Pune, Maharashtra, Dr. Maruti Sharma, Director and Founder, University of Life, Jammu. Faculty members of Central University of Jammu, AICT Atal FTP participants, researchers, staff member, students, ladies and gentlemen. I am thoroughly pleased to witness you all here in this FTP. It's my privilege to welcome you all. I welcome all the participants in the 1 week AICT Training and Learning Academy Atal Faculty Development Program on Artificial Intelligence, Artificial Wisdom, a drive for improving behavioral and mental health care. We are truly delighted with your presence. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for joining this 5-day AICT sponsored Atal FTP. I feel great proud to say that this type of FDPs has been organized by our department for over last 3 years and has chronicled huge success each year. This is 4th FTP under this Atal program sponsored by AICT. We have successfully organized 3 FTP on Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence, and Life Skill Management, Leadership and Excellence, sponsored by the same Atal program. Out of these 3 FTPs, first 2 were in physical mode and last one in online mode due to COVID. The department organizes such FTP or workshops to enlighten the young minds and promote the participation of faculty members, PG and PhD students. AICT, in its endeavor to encourage academic excellence in technical education, has taken several quality initiatives, which also include enhanced impetus on the development of faculty teaching in universities, colleges across the country. The AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy is one such initiative that has been conducting various faculty development programs for imparting, upgrading, faculty knowledge in emerging thrust areas like Internet of Things, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, blockchain technology, renewable energies, augmented and virtual reality. Given the unprecedented COVID-19 backdrop, this year's 1500 FTP in various emerging areas has been scheduled in online mode, and 44 such FTPs are commencing on today, 6 September 2021. These FTPs are being conducted by various prominent organizations such as IITs, IIMs, IIITs, NITs, IISc, ISI, JNU, BARC, DRDO, and Central University, engaging the distinguished expert from academia, industry, research organization from the country and abroad. We feel proud that our department is organizing this fourth FTP of Adult Academy. This year, the theme is based upon the theme of usage of artificial intelligence in mental health to help faculty members, students understand the result of applications of artificial intelligence in improving mental health. It will focus the major issues, solutions, and long-term effect associated with mental health care. In addition to this, audience will also learn about the behavioral skills. The FTP will include 14 sessions of AI experts from different reputed organizations. This 5 days course provides an overview of AI approaches and current application in mental health care, a review of recent original research on artificial intelligence specific to mental health, and a discussion of how artificial intelligence can supplement clinical practices while considering its current limitations, area needing additional research, and ethical implications regarding AI technology. This workshop is envisaged to provide opportunity to our learner to seek and share knowledge and teaching skills in cutting-edge areas from the experienced and reputed resource persons. Thus, the future of artificial intelligence or artificial wisdom could provide technology that enables more compassionate and ethically sound care to diverse group of people. I bid a very warm welcome to all the renowned speakers and delegates who took out their valuable time and joined us for 5 days to be part of this FDP. We are honored to have you all with us. I would also like to offer my regard to all the people who made this FTP functional in such hard time due to COVID. We have distinguished speakers from various institutes of eminence like IITs, Bennett University, Microsoft, Samyak Infotech, etc. I am very sure that the participant will get benefited by attending this 1 week AICT Training and Learning Academy Atal Faculty Development Program on Artificial Intelligence, Artificial Wisdom, a drive for improving behavioral and mental health care. The workshop on artificial intelligence, a drive for improving behavioral and mental health care, is a very meaningful event where we can share and know the recent innovation in artificial intelligence, which is used for mental health care with researchers of the same area from renowned universities and industries across India. So this FDP received 180 participant requests, out of which we have selected and registered 80 participants, which includes faculty members, PhD research scholars, and PG scholars. So this FDP have been organized in 14 sessions in next 5 days, which includes theory, practical, hands-on, live demonstration in the field of artificial intelligence, artificial wisdom used in mental health care. So once again, I am most grateful for your participation and support. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us with the theme of workshop and motivating us to organize such programs. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. So due to the joining of new Vice Chancellor, this inaugural function will be presided over by Professor Devanand. Dean School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Central University, Jammu. Professor Devanand is the senior most professor and having teaching, research, consultancy, and administrative experience of more than 30 years in different organizations. He has many research publications in reputed international journals and conferences. He has been contributing enormously in various academic and research activities. So now I would like to invite Professor Devanand sir to share the presidential address. Over to you, sir.
You, Miss Mehak,
Thank you, sir.
Head of Computer Science Department, Dr. Jaswant Singh, resource persons of FDP program, teachers of Department of Computer Science and IT, participants, and my dear students. Department of Computer Science and IT is organizing 5 days online FDP on use of artificial intelligence for improving mental health care, sponsored by AICT Training and Learning Academy. It is very encouraging that more than 180 participants from all over India have registered for this FDP and 90 participants have joined the course. As told by the HOD, this is the fourth such FDP being organized by the Department of Computer Science and IT in the span of 3 years. It is a good achievement and the department deserves appreciation, especially the HOD. Title of the FDP is regarding use of artificial intelligence for improving mental health care, which is an important topic, and FDP. This FDP is going to be very useful for all the participants. As you know, artificial intelligence is very important field of computer science. It is used to enhance the speed, precision, and effectiveness of the human efforts. It is impacting every industry, every human being, and is main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, and will continue to act as technological innovator for future. A career in artificial intelligence looks very promising than any other jobs available these days. Employers need artificial intelligence talent to fulfill the company's technological requirements. Thus, a career in AI is not only attracting the job seekers towards it, but is witnessing immense growth. It will be the biggest business opportunity of the next decade due to high mortality in people with psychiatric disorders, and also there is a shortage of mental health care providers. There is an urgent need for artificial intelligence to help in identifying high-risk individuals and provide intervention to prevent and treat mental illness. Artificial intelligence could not only help with the diagnostics and early detection of mental health issues, but it could also participate meaningfully in the management of disorders. This 5 days course provides an overview of artificial intelligence approaches and current application in mental health care, a review of recent research in artificial intelligence specific to the mental health, and a discussion of how artificial intelligence can supplement clinical practice while considering its current limitation. This course will be a great opportunity to gain expertise in one of the most fascinating and fastest growing areas of computer science. As told by the HOD, reputed faculty of IIT Jammu, IIT Roorkee, Microsoft, Melbourne and Australia, and many important institutions are resource persons in this workshop. We are highly thankful to them that they spare their valuable time. I hope all the participants will seriously attend the workshop and get maximum benefit out of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your address. We are privileged to have you amongst us, and sir, you have always been an inspiration for all of us. Your wise thoughts and hard work always guide us to achieve wonders for our university. So now, with these words, I would like to request Dr. Yashwant Singh, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, to kindly present a memento to Professor Devanand, Dean School of Basic and Applied Sciences, as a token of respect and appreciation. And I request Dr. Dipti Malhotra, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Central University Jammu, and the coordinator of this FGP program to kindly join with them. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now, I cordially invite Dr. Dipti Malhotra to present a memento to Dr. Yashwant Singh, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, as a gesture of love and respect. Thank you, everyone. Now, I welcome Dr. Dipti Malhotra to kindly deliver the formal vote of thanks.
Good morning to all of you. I can say thank you is a prayer that cannot be touched or seen, but it must be felt by the heart. Today, I feel very privileged and honored to present a formal vote of thanks on this special occasion. First of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was. In the absentia, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ashok Ayama sir, who has always supported and guided us in the best possible way to organize this event. My thanks to Professor Devanand sir, Dean School of Basic and Applied Sciences, for sharing his words. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence and blessed us with your presence today. I would like to thank our beloved head of the department, Dr. Yashwant Singh, for his constant help and guidance that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, sir, and we are very thankful to you for being with us today. We look forward to some scintillating interactions by the renowned resource persons I can say Dr. Karan Natwani from IIT Jammu, Dr. Partha Pratim Roy from IIT Roorkee, Dr. Priyanka Sharma, AI Advisor, Professor Deepak Garg from Bennett University, Anshul Chopra, Microsoft Australia, Dr. Madhu Jaglan from Chandigarh University, Dr. Anurag Sharma, Dr. Maruti Sharma, Director and Founder, University of Life, and Ms. Pavitra Harait from Iyengar Memorial Yoga Institute, Pune. This time, AIT has kept mandatory guidelines to keep 1 or 2 sessions for the mindfulness meditation or yoga. So, following the above guidelines, we have kept 2 sessions for the meditation and the yoga by our experts, Dr. Maruti Sharma and Ms. Pavitra Harit from Iyengar Yoga Institute, Pune. A warm thanks to all the participants who have participated in this program. I would like to thank my dear colleagues, Dr. Bhavna Arora, Dr. Arvind Selewal, and Dr. Narendra Singh, and all the non-teaching staff members who have always stand by us and motivate us. My special thanks to my research scholars, Ms. Bhagyalakshmi, Ms. Mehak, Suksham, and Indu, and all the students of the Computer Science Department, without whom this program would not have been possible. I am very grateful to Ms. Mehak Mengi for her effort towards today's anchoring. Finally, my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Vikas Gupta, Assistant Registrar, Central University of Jammu, Mr. Udit Mahajan, Mr. Pranav, and Mr. Ramji, and all the supporting staff of the university. In the end, I can say if time is a money, then you all have spent millions for us. So thank you to all of you for making this event successful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Now I request all of you to kindly stand at your places for the Rashtragan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. We are winding this inaugural session within 5 minutes, and we will again join at 12 p.m. for the first technical session, which will be taken by Dr. Karan Nathwani, Assistant Professor, IIT Jammu. So it's a time for a break. Again, we will meet at 12 p.m. and we have already shared the details with you all. Link will remain same for all the sessions, including inaugural. So it's a request to all the participants to kindly join the session before 5 minutes. Thank you, one and all.